Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you tired of struggling with flimsy tape measures that bend and never reach far enough on big projects? Today on Budget Buying, we have the perfect upgrade for your toolkit. We are taking a look at the best digital laser distance meter available right now. Let's get started. Taking a closer look at the Snako Digital Laser Distance Meter, it becomes obvious that this is a versatile measuring tool designed to deliver precision and convenience across a wide range of applications. Whether you are a professional contractor or a weekend DIY enthusiast, having an accurate measuring device saves you massive amounts of time and energy. The Snako Digital Laser Distance Meter is built specifically to take the complicated math out of your daily tasks. One of the absolute standout features of the Snako Digital Laser Distance Meter is its brilliant single measurement mode. With just the simple, quick press of a single button, you can instantly capture the exact distances you need. This straightforward one-button operation is incredibly easy to use, even if you are wearing work gloves. Furthermore, it offers real-time measurement functionality. This means that as you slowly aim and move the device across a room, you get instant, highly accurate feedback displayed right in front of you. This completely eliminates the tedious guesswork from your projects. For those more demanding and extended measurement tasks, you will absolutely love the highly intelligent continuous measurement mode. This smart feature allows you to physically move the device around a space while it continuously records the changing distances in real time. While you walk from one end of a hallway to the other, it automatically calculates both the maximum and minimum values for you on the fly. This makes efficient data collection a total breeze when you are trying to find the exact perfect spot to place a large piece of furniture or align a newly built wall. The Snako meter also acts as a highly advanced smart calculator right in the palm of your hand. It offers fantastic advanced calculation features that will save you from pulling out your phone. In the highly useful area measurement mode, you simply measure the length and the width separately, and the device automatically computes the total area for you. This is perfect for when you need to buy paint or flooring. Additionally, if you are calculating space for a new heating unit, you can easily use the volume measurement mode. Just quickly record the length, width, and height, and the meter provides instant volume results. But the intelligent mathematical features certainly do not stop there. It also includes an incredibly advanced tick measurement function. This specialized mode enables the highly accurate calculation of sloping and horizontal edges. By taking a few quick readings from a comfortable standing position, it automatically determines the exact height for complex structures. This is a complete game changer if you are trying to figure out the height of a tall ceiling or a slanted roof where you absolutely cannot safely reach the top with a standard physical tape measure. It keeps your feet safely on the ground. Keeping track of all these various numbers can usually lead to messy notebooks and forgotten information. Thankfully, data management is entirely streamlined with this incredible device. It has the built-in ability to reliably store up to 20 sets of previous measurements directly in its internal memory bank. This fantastic memory feature allows you to easily save and review your past results at any time you want. This makes it incredibly easy to accurately track your daily progress across multiple different projects without the constant need for manual recording. Finally, we have to talk about the outstanding build quality and physical design. Built to easily withstand truly demanding work environments, the device safely carries a highly durable dust and waterproof rating of IP54. This rugged level of protection ensures reliable and consistent performance in both dusty indoor construction settings and unpredictable outdoor environments. You never have to panic if you get caught in a light rain shower on the job site. The entire unit is remarkably compact, incredibly durable, and highly efficient. The Snakeold digital laser distance meter perfectly combines these advanced measurement modes with simple, user-friendly operation. Do not miss the amazing chance to make your next big home project easier than ever before. Check the price link in the description to grab yours today and upgrade your toolbox. Always remember to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more awesome daily product videos. Stay safe out there, happy building, and I will see you in the next one.